why. Don't forget the coffee cup, I can't wait.
We are headed to right outside of Bangkok, a place that I normally would go to get my fruits and vegetables. It's a long drive for fruits and vegetables, but I'm gonna tell you, this place it's worth it to come out here. I think you're gonna like it. Charles stopped to get a coffee. He's got some concoction coffee with lemon in it.
Oh yeah.
It looks good.
I hope it is.
So this was the first time we actually almost ran out of gas. So I was panicking trying to find a gas station, because if you have ever been to Bangkok, you will know it's not that easy to find gas stations without passing them. If you pass them, then you pretty much assed out, because they are probably on the other side, and you've got a lot of one ways, and you can't just cross over highways or get off where you want to get off on the exit. So yeah, we were on E, the thing was flashing, and I was not trying to push a car here, so anyway, or be stranded out there trying to get gas. But we made it to a Shell station, thank goodness. We are at Talad Thai, right outside of Bangkok. Okay, I'm about to take you on a tour through Talad Thai fruit market. It's massive, so get ready for this, guys. It's awesome. And another thing, this is every time we come out here, we're usually the only foreigners out here. There aren't many foreigners, if at all any, that come out here. I'm sure they do, but we never see any. So the language barrier is a little bit of an issue, but we never have a problem at all getting what we need and what we came out here for. So yeah, they do look at us strange because we are the only foreigners out here, but I don't care about that stuff. That doesn't bother me at all. I just want to walk through and walk down some. So we're just going to walk through first before I start buying stuff, because I know that I want to get pineapples and I want to get some carrots from here. I mean, this place is enormous. It looks like old airplane hangars, honestly. Wow, those are beautiful. I don't even know what that is. Turn. I'm gonna see if I can see some good looking mangoes. I might get some. Look how beautiful. Look how big that mango is. I wonder if it's good. So I just got some mangoes, and they're beautiful looking mangoes. But out here, the one thing they sell by the carton. I didn't need the whole carton. They couldn't understand that. And they never do. It's okay, because I buy the whole carton and I just take out what I need or what I want, and I let them keep the rest of them, because I don't want to waste them. I don't want to bring them home and waste them. So I just take out what I know I want, pay for the carton. It's still really cheap. So those are the mangoes that we got. Those things are massive. Beautiful. So these are limes. They look like key limes, but it's a ton of limes over here. And you've got pumpkins. Oh wow. the funny thing is, well, the sad thing is, I don't even know what half of these fruits are. Like this over here, I have no idea what this is at all. If you know, please tell me. I have never seen anything like this in my life. Oh wow, so this is onions, and it looks like tomatoes, some kind of tomatoes over here. They've got onions and they've got red onions. $1.60 a bag, so that's about $3 for this big bag of onions. Not bad. Then they've got the tomatoes here. You see that, baby? 160 baht for that big bag of onions. So you've got the small pearl onions and garlic. Wow. They've got all of these different purple onions. These little pearl onions are cool. Now that's a pretty good deal. Look, you see? I wouldn't mind getting some of those. So, do you have a bag? A bag? A bag? Can we? Thank you. Maybe cut them up, maybe make a small potato salad. This is what I like. I don't have to go over to that other one. This is perfect.
How much?
60?
60.
60 baht. So all those carrots for 60 baht. You can't beat that. So I don't need any tomatoes today. I've got onions, I've got potatoes. What?
Knocked out.
Oh wow. He is getting his rest here. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not a fan of cats. I've just recently started to not be skittish around them, but that was a scary looking cat. You got bell peppers here. Those potatoes look really good.
They do.
Those look
Kind of look better than the ones you got in here.
They do. And those carrots. That's why you got to look around. Oh, what? Yeah, huge carrots. Oh, let's go down here. Look at the garlic. They have the see the garlic is already shelled in the refrigerator?
Oh, yeah.
That's pretty cool. Be careful. Oh, wow. Hold on. Uh-huh. And you got Morning Glory here too.
Oh, really?
Yeah. What is that? $110 for all of it? No. 1 kilo. I would not mind having some of that. So we're getting a kilo of these greens. I'm honestly not even sure what kind of greens these are, but I'm gonna make them like I make my greens. So we'll see how it turns out and I'll let you know. So we got greens. We're gonna go look over here and see what else they have. I mean, this place is endless. It just keeps going and going. Wow, they've got ginger root right there. And lemongrass. What's all that? Yeah. Wow.
That's
These are
crazy.
bags of peppers. These things are huge. This is good. So we've got cabbage over here, which is by far one of my favorites. Wow. Oh, this is fish.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
so this is, I guess, the beginning of the fish market. Huh? All fish. Oh, I'm gonna tell you what, the smell over here is something real. Oh my God, I don't think I could take it. Nope. I can't take it. Huh? So you got, oh my gosh. Listen, sorry guys, but I cannot take the smell. Even through this mask, it is hot, it's rich, it's marinating fish in the heat. So that's, gotta explain to you what that smells like. I cannot do it. And the further I got in there, the worse it got. Very good looking vegetables here. Watch yourself, baby. If you're not careful, I'm gonna tell you, these scooters will hit you. And they'll probably hit you and keep on going. I want to take a look at this cabbage over here. Oh, do you see how massive this place is, guys? It's huge. So you can tell this is very, very fresh. Bought in daily from farms from the south, from up north. This is Thai eggplant. Yes, I would like one. You got 35 baht? Thank you. So we were driving and I actually came across some corn that I wanted to get, and I saw it and I definitely want some. Wow. So they, I'm about to break my neck. How much? I would like to get this one, please. Thank you. Kapkunka. Thank you so much. So you see all this corn that I got? Delicious. So you got Sawadika. I want to get maybe one of these watermelons. Maybe that one on top. 80 baht?
Yeah.
Thank you. Popcorn car. Thank you. No, no, no. Keep. Popcorn car. Thank you. So they look delicious. If you see how they stack these watermelons up, like that's amazing. So we got lots of goodies so far, but the one thing that we didn't get yet, we're on our way to get, and that's pineapples. Their pineapples are amazing out here. So I'm standing in front of Captain America, but I'm actually on Durian Alley. It's not really named Durian Alley, but I named it Durian Alley because everything down here is all durian. So you got what looks like a bakery window, but it's durian in there. So this is what I call Durian Alley. They've got chips over there too. They've got chips over there. I want to go look at their chips. Watch yourself. They look all broken up. That's so I'm gonna look up here. I'm gonna look at the first ones and see. So you could imagine what smells are going through the air down this little street here. I'm actually looking for durian chips that I found in Rayong. My daughter loved them so much, so I saw some more up here. Hopefully they're the same and they taste the same, but I'm gonna grab a couple of bags. That durian looks so pretty. Sawadee-ka. Sawadee-ka. Just what I thought I got on video, I absolutely did not. You're videotaping and you think that, you think you're videotaping, but you're actually not. And then when you get to where you want to shut it off, and it's already off. Go figure. Yeah, it's not. No, I don't want them because they're not in season now, I can tell. Right. So these are pineapples, but they don't look to be in season right now, so I'm going to pass up on getting pineapples today. So I'm going to end the video now, and don't forget to subscribe.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. Well,